Libra, hi, welcome back to my channel. Let's do a reading for the month of June 2020. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. I'm going to see what cards will come out for you. Yeah, you got Four of Wands. So Four of Wands suggests that as your first card, because Four of Wands, you got it as your first card. It suggests that you have to stay at home in the month of June. That's all it is. That's where everything has to start. The universe is saying, first comes first, stay at home. Because Four of Wands, the four wands form a center point which represents comfort, safety. So safety is something that you have to not ignore in the month of June. You have to feel safe, you have to be safe, and one thing is you have to stay at home. Also another thing is you have to maintain this safety. You have to be safe is what I'm saying. And first card is strongest, so keep that in mind. And also I just noticed right now this particular card, Four of Wands, there is a lot of diamond shapes. I don't know why, but that is definitely significant for you. There's a lot of diamond shapes in this card, so the shape of diamond is very significant in the month of June for you, so watch out for that. Maybe you have to safeguard your jewelry, diamonds. You have to keep in a very safe place. That also might be significant. Yeah, I saw the few cards have dropped. I saw the Ten of Pentacles. I won't take it out because it was fallen down. I just want to come back for the Four of Wands here. In this particular card, if you look very closely, Libra, you can see this outer layer, this orange and whitish tint over here. That's nothing but sun. Okay, that is the sunlight, you can say. And basically sun is over here in the center, and it's eclipsing. It's having its eclipse. So that's the solar eclipse. Okay, because you can see the center point is black, but the surrounding it has the sunlight, right? So whenever solar eclipse happens, you can see the sun. Literally you feel like there's a black sun coming on, and outer layer you can see these flares of rays, sunlight, and that's nothing but this orange and white. That's the sunlight at the background, and in the point you can see there is black dot, and that's the solar eclipse basically. So definitely in June solar eclipse will be happening, I believe. As of now I'm recording, lunar eclipse will start just in another few hours. So make sure you take precautions. Check out what you should do and what you shouldn't do in the month of June during eclipse. There'll be few guidelines that you have to follow, not only Libra, for everyone, especially for you Libra. That is, you have to take that into consideration a lot than other zodiac signs, because you got it as your first card. Okay, and another one, next card is Mother of Wands. So your mother wants to take care of you. this June month. You got, this is very homely cards. Four of Wands is home. Mother of Wands is also a homely card. Okay, so universe is suggesting that you have to stay at home, and you will be staying at home. Okay, and your mom is always there. She wants to take care of you. It also suggests that your mom doesn't want you to go outside. Four of Wands next to the Mother of Wands. Next you got Nine of Swords. Wow. Scorpio got this as their first card. I almost jumped over. You can check out the reading for Scorpio. In the month of May 2020, they got this as the first card. Nine of Wands, Nine of Swords speaks about nightmares. So there are many meanings here. Four of Wands, Mother of Wands, Nine of Swords. These both are Wands, the first two cards, but this is Swords. So it has to do with another situation, not regarding this. So I won't look at those two cards because the element has just changed after two particular cards, which is significantly Wands. But this is Swords. So I will look at only this card and its meaning. Nine of Swords is nightmares. Okay, so especially during this ecliptic period or in the month of June, you might be having this you might get up in the middle of the night. Insomnia is what I'm seeing, and also nightmares. You might get nightmares, like scary dreams. You might also have visions that is coming, that is related to your past life. Okay, it's like you won't experience in this lifetime. Consciously your mind won't have those, but your soul knows it, right? Your soul knows it because it has experienced a lot of lifetimes, a lot of lives. So you might get those visions in your mind that will definitely resonates with your past life, what you have consciously noticed in the past life. You might have visions in this lifetime, especially in the month of June. Three of Cups is friends. Your friends want to reach out to you. Your friends want to call you for a party, or just call you for a celebration, just to have a celebration, just to have a small talk. I feel like you've been distant from your friends, but in the month of June your friends want to actually communicate with you, is what I'm saying. Yeah, you got another 4. That is 4 of Pentacles. Universe is just pulling this card out to, universe wants to make me pull this card out. You got 3 and 4. That's the reason. That's the universe saying you got 3 and 4. It's incrementing. So let's come back. Let's go in a sequence right now. 4 of Pentacles is stability. Okay. Finances. Now you got 3 of Cups and 4 of Pentacles. It says that your friends, if you connect with your friends in the month of June, communicate with them, share your experiences, just communicate with them, your finances will improve. It will become stable because this is 3 and this is 4. Your financial situation will increase, it will become stable, it will rise up. Okay, and you got 4 of wands and 4 of pentacles, which is 4 and 4, which represents the 4th house, the home, the mother. 4th house, you got mother of wands. No surprise. It's so crazy that astrology and tarot are somehow related. Back in those days they have designed tarot cards that way. They were so spiritual beings. They were so spiritual, they made, I don't know how they made it. You got 4 and 4, 4 of wands and 4 of pentacles, which represents the 4th house. 4th house is home, mother. I think 4th house represents Ketu also. Okay. Now you got 2 of wands. I definitely know what is going on here. Okay. You got 3 of cups, which is your friends. You have to communicate with your friends. You've been distant, you've been alone, but you have to communicate with your friends, and that will bring you stability in life. A lot of stability. Just increase your finances, because 3 and 4. And next you got 2 of wands. Okay, but you want to go alone, you want to go back here. You don't want to go by this order, because this is 2, 3, 4, right? You want this 2 to be here actually, and you can see this road is alone. You want to walk alone. You don't want to go by this path. You definitely want to go alone. You don't want to connect with anyone right now. You know that this road is colorful and you want to go alone, is what I'm saying. Either ways, if you go by this path also, 2 of wands, the road is colorful, the destination will be colorful. The destination will depend on how you look at what dreams you have, what your goals are. That's how your destination will depend. But the road is definitely colorful. Okay, because you dream to reach a goal, you dream to have success in particular area, and that is your dream, and your dream will always be colorful. So if you go alone also, you will succeed. But universe is saying, once in a while communicate with friends, and that will also help you to have a stable life. Okay, but remember Libra, this is just an advice that the universe is giving. Okay, you all obviously we all have free will, right? We can do whatever we wish to, whatever we love to. If you want to go alone, the path which no one is there, walking alone, if you love that, if you have courage enough, if you're courage enough to do that, do it. Wheel of Fortune, yeah. So Wheel of Fortune is wheel turning on towards your favor. So universe is saying now, you are walking alone, there is no problem. The wheel will turn towards your favor. Even if you go alone or connect back with your friends, either ways you will be very fortunate. You will have the success in life. The Wheel of Fortune, the wheel will turn towards your favor. The universe will help you with this, if you go in this path or that path, either ways. But the universe is suggesting Wheel of Fortune is there. It's a wonderful card to come out. This one card can change everything. I always say this. So yeah, universe is saying, we are there for you. You can go by the path, connecting with your friends, having stability in life through your friends, or if you want to go alone, you can go alone. Either ways, Wheel of Fortune, you know it. You got Tower card. Now this one was fallen down. Okay, but I took it out because something, I felt something like I have to take it out, but this card was fallen down, just to mention. Tower card is, it's like a lightning, sudden change it will be very dramatic, it will be very dramatic. It will be painful, of course. Tower card, not a pleasant card to come out, but either ways I can't say it's not good. Okay, it's a most dramatic and very I can say horrifying also, very straightforward, without any look here and there. It goes straight on, it dives deep, and it's just it's like you point a gun, it's like a laser, this sniper, right? Sniper always shoots very accurately. If you mark a point, if you mark a point using its laser, the sniper shoots its bullet very accurately. Same, thunder is also tower is also same, because it's the thunder, it's the lightning, right? So yeah. It's very if your universe is saying, if you get 2 of wands and tower card, this is deep, many people don't know about this. In a reading, if you get 4 of wands and tower card, it means that this is not the time you have to leave your home and go for a vacation or something like that. If you go for a vacation or just leave your home for a week, I can say a week, then what will happen is there will be some incident which happens in your home when you're not there. Because you're not there, the 4 of wands, what happens is it attracts this tower energy. So what happens is when you leave your home for more than a week, something in your home will happen, some destruction. It may not be in your home, but your neighbors might catch fire, or they might have a small destruction in your home, in their home, or in your home. It can be either ways. So that's something, so keep that in mind. So better stay at home in the month of June. That's the reason you have got 4 of wands as your first card. If this is another message what I'm getting, if in case you leave your home and go for a vacation or some other small trip for more than a week, you leave your home and go for a small trip or vacation, for example, then this also might happen. There will be a situation like a emergency call, okay, like an very emergency call. You'll get an emergency call like you have to come back here, or else if you're not here, then things might go wrong. That also might happen. So be careful with that as well. 4 of wands and tower card, if it comes in the reading, especially in this situation, I can definitely say that is definitely significant. Yeah, fire, as I said, it might catch fire. You got 7 of wands, which is this is the matchstick, something that ignites spark, and from there it will take over. Okay, so small spark is enough to ignite a whole a whole area if it is sensitive to the fire. One little spark is enough. So 7 of wands suggests that you are also standing out. It's like tower next to the 7 of wands also suggests that you're standing out. But this is your reality. But this is what people are seeing. They see you as someone who is very successful, very someone who stands alone, someone who is not among the crowds, someone who stands alone. And these are people looking at you. And tower card, basically this is what people are seeing you. Okay, but things what happened to you are this tower card. You see this destruction, you feel like there's so much destruction which happened. And people won't see this tower card, they see this, So that's something. Yeah, eclipse is almost going to start. So now I can say this is your friends, is because you got exactly as above so below. You got 3 of in the uppermost position. You got 3 of cups. Sorry if I'm little, my vocals are getting down or little wobbly. Might be eclipse, I'm not sure. It's almost getting over. Your reading almost getting over. Yeah, that want to come out. Thank you. Yeah, sure, Libra. I know what's going on here. 5 of Pentacles. So heartbreak. You had this major heartbreak in your life that people won't even understand. They see like you're igniting, you are lit. They see like you're lit. You're like you're just standing out. You're just rocking. That's people are kind of intimidated by you. They are kind of like they see you like very outstanding in the month of June, but reality is this is the reality. If you look a person left or right in the right way, this is what you want, this is what you find. Tower card and 5 of Pentacles. But people see you as someone who stands up. 7 of Wands. Bottom of the deck. 6 of Pentacles. Libra is all about that. Growth of finances, being abundant, being wealthy. So you can see 6 of Pentacles. Did I say 7? 6 of Pentacles. This is the investment that you made and you're reaping the rewards for it. Okay, and this is your inner deep feeling. This is your dream which you had since your childhood, and you will have this. But sadness is something that you have to experience. Okay, I also want to show this card. It really wanted to pop out. I saw 2 of Pentacles, which was in the first. This is the bottom of the deck, and this is the first card in the deck. This was it was exposed very, it was highlighted very well. So I just want to pull it out. 2 of Pentacles is balance. So you know what is going on here, Libra. You had this major heartbreak which you felt so sad at one point, and you're still not able to forget that. Once in a while when you recall those situations, you're not able to forget that. But this is to have balance in life. This is finances. This is finances. To have this luxury, to have this abundance of finances, this has to happen. Okay, people, it's like if some major thing happens, people won't move, people won't change, right? So these kind of things happen. And remember, Libra, you have chosen this. You have chosen these situations to happen, okay, to reach you to 6 of Pentacles. So it's a very simple reading, guys. It's not that complicated. You, Libra, for you, it's like you can pull off anything. You can pull off any major disaster in your life very easily. But deep inside, you have that, sadness still. But remember, Libra, this sadness or this tower energy, what you have, what you will experience, what you had experienced, or what you will experience in the future also, it's a blessing. This tower, it will destroy. It will destroy your essence. In the sense, it will destroy the happiness for a while. Tower card. Even sadness will be there. But just remember how powerful you are, Libra. Libra is one of the it's one of the fascinating zodiac signs, and I am very proud to be a Libra rising. And Libras have very they can change even the negative thing as a positive thing. They will see even the negative thing as they will try their best to convert negative things into positive things. and that's how they'll become successful in life. And that's why you can see many Libra rising people will be very successful in life. Libra ascendant people. Okay, I guess in the zodiac signs it's one of the top when it comes to finances, Libra ascendant. And next will be, I guess, I don't know, Scorpio, Aries, some other. Okay, so maybe, yeah, I guess Scorpio or something. I'll check it out. So this is all I have for you, Libra. You know what is going on. You are very aware of it. But one thing is that universe is suggesting stay at home. Okay, one thing is very significant is that you have to stay at home right now. Okay, you have to stay at home because 4th house, it needs your energy to be there. That's it. If you're not there, you know that magnetic pull will be there, and you know, some disaster might happen in the 4th house. And 3 of cups, as I said, 3 of cups next to the 4 of pentacles. You can go either ways. If you want to connect back with friends and communicate with them, you know, spend time with them for a while, that will also make your finances stable, 4 of pentacles. Or if you want to go alone, either ways you will get the wheel of fortune. Things will turn out to your favor. And in the past and in the future also, you will experience this Tower card, this destruction. This destruction will be happening. Okay, you can see the thunder, it's hitting the tree, and you know, it's almost like the tree has lost its life, but it is still alive. Okay, that's the thing. You will feel like you're almost dead, but people see you as someone who is igniting, someone who is standing out, having success in life. But you again, you feel like, okay, people see you as that way, but deep inside you have this sadness and breakdown that no one is not able to understand you. You know, you're feeling that way. It's all right. It's all about finances and growth. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter, you know. Experiencing life, even the negative part of life, even experiencing the negative part of life is a blessing. There should be ups and downs in life. That's how we know life is beautiful, and that's how, you know, that's how we all know that happiness is so, you know, beautiful. If we experience happiness for all the time, we won't know the value of happiness. We don't know the value of life. You know, we have to, God has created us so amazingly. You know, it has given us the opportunity to work hard for ourselves and, you know, make things happen by ourselves. You know, if I want to have, for example, if the world is so magical, and if just things happen with a click of a hand. For example, I need a how can I say? For example, I need $10. Okay, for example, I needed $10. With a click of a hand, I get $10. What is the use of it? You will be happy, but you don't know the value of $10 then. Okay, to know the value of $10, you have to work hard for it. If it comes in the click of a hand, we don't know the value of it. So the universe made us, you know, that way. You know, we have to work for that, and only then we can get to know what's the value of it. And only then we can get to know if you have this sad moments, if you have this negative, this breakdown, only then you will get to know the value of life. So that's the reading, guys, for you, Libra. You already know, you are very educated, you are very spiritual. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down below. If you want a personal reading, you can check out my website, it's down below, or you can contact me in Messenger. I'll be available there also. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.